V areno Stožice namreč spomladi prihaja mednarodna mega predstava K-pop Forever. Britanski ustvarjalci obljubljajo, da pripravljajo spektakel, ki se lahko kosa z največjimi svetovnimi produkcijami. Gre za poklon največjim južnokorejskim glasbenim skupinam in filmski uspešnici K-pop Demon Hunters. Dinamično družinsko predstavo pripravlja izkušena ekipa pevcev in plesalcev, ki stoji za tribute šovi Taylor Swift in Sabrine Carpenter. K-pop Forever bo v Sloveniji gostoval 27. marca naslednje leto.
The concept behind K-pop Forever is simple really, the highest quality tribute production to one of the hottest genres in the world. The show will feature 45 minutes of tracks, some of the biggest tracks by K-pop bands such as Blackpink, BTS and Sanje, with the other 45 minutes completely dedicated to the smash hit K-pop Demon Hunters.
It's time. The world will know you as pop stars.
We're fully aware at Taylor Entertainment the scale of this project and show. Slovenia, alongside audiences all across the world, are guaranteed one of the best nights of their lives.